What's good, YouTube? It's your boy 773 Josh, and we are back with another video. And in today's video, I want to give you guys another Forex training. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to actually identify trends. So understanding which direction the market is moving, what trend the market is moving in, why, and how to actually identify it so that you guys will be able to, clearly be able to see and understand what's happening within the market. So if you guys are new to the channel, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on post notifications so that you don't miss more videos like this where I'm actually training and give you guys value on how to actually take your trading to the next level. So let's go ahead and get into it.
I used to be broke as a joke, now I'm having whatever I like. I still been fighting my demons, it's been one hell of a fight. I'm tired as hell, but I swear that I never get tired of trying. I'm cool as a wind, but I still can't let that nigga cross my line. Fuck what you heard, I don't care who you are. Came from the dirt, now I shine like a star. Ask how I'm doing, I'll tell you I'm fine. Look at my eyes, you can tell that I'm lying. Never thought that I would make it this far. I sing my little song as I play a guitar. Was writing this song and I ran out of time.
All right, you guys. So right now, I actually have the TradingView platform pulled up. And what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and find us a market, and we're going to go ahead and start to identify something. So let's go ahead and just do Forex. I feel like Forex is literally one of the best markets to actually get into. We'll just go to a major Euro USD, and then we'll go ahead and open up the chart. So in this training video, you guys, we're not going to use any indicators. We're just going to have a complete, clean, and naked chart. I like to use the RSI, and I might teach you guys later on what I like to use that indicator for. But we also do have the EMA on. I'm probably just going to leave it on. Let's see. Okay, it's telling me to upgrade. Just trying to remove it. Let me see. I think I just need to zoom in and then click on it maybe. Okay, there we go. So first and foremost, you guys, before we start to talk about trends, what I want you guys to understand is how time frames work. Right here, when you're looking at a chart, you have the ability to change the different time frames in which you're looking at the chart. You have the daily, so you can look at the chart for the day, per day, the week, the month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. You have the hours, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, and you have the minutes, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15, 30, 45. So what I want you guys to understand is the way that I look at time frames is like looking at a book. If you want to see the overall viewpoint of the market, then you might go ahead and go to the daily, the monthly, or the weekly time frame. And this is going to show you what the market has been doing for a longer period of time. So we're looking at Euro USD, right? And if we were just to go from this point, this market has been in a downtrend ever since September 26th, September 25th of 2024. And so on the longer time frame, we actually see that this market is in a downtrend. And so the easier ways to identify how it's in a downtrend, why it's in a downtrend, is simply based off of something kind of like a staircase, how I like to look at it, right? So what we'll do is we're going to go ahead and just draw a line from the top all the way down to the bottom, and we're going to keep it under the market right there, okay? And so let me turn this off. And so when you're actually looking at the chart, right, as you guys can see, it's all based off of where you're starting at, right? So our starting point is right here. And so from this starting point, the market continued to drop lower and lower and lower. And so in this downtrend, when you identify that the market is in a downtrend, the market is creating a consistent pattern of lower lows and lower highs. So from this point, the starting point, let's just type that out. So right here is the starting point of where we're actually looking at to identify this trend. And then from here, the market dropped down here, right? And this created a lower low, okay? And so what that means is that from this point, the market lowest point was right here. And then from this lower low, right, on a smaller time frame, the market went up and created a higher low. So it went up, but a lower high, right? So it went up, but this high was not higher than that one. It was lower than the previous high. So what we have right there is something that we like to call lower high. Okay. And so market came down, went up. Let's draw this out for you guys. So it came down to this point, right? Created that lower low. And then it came up just a little bit and created that new high, but it's lower than that high. And then from there, it came down and it created another lower low. And then right here, it came up and it created a lower high. This high is right below this one, right? So we have another lower high or a higher low. Boom. All right. So boom, we see that that one is lower. So it's pretty much just a trend. A trend is like something that is consistently happening, right? Or something that's following after something else, right? Like the trend of snapbacks, right? One person wears a snapback, 5 people start wearing snapbacks, now a bunch of people are wearing snapbacks. Trend of skinny jeans. One person wears skinny jeans, more people start wearing skinny jeans, now a lot of people are wearing skinny jeans. And so what forces the market to go in a trend is the major market participants forcing the market in a specific direction. So if the market is in a downtrend, the major investors are selling this market, right? And so the market is going lower, 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 lower. And so once you have been able to identify your downtrends, the next thing that you want to be able to understand is your uptrends. And then I'll also show you guys something that's in between that. So right here, we have an example of an uptrend. If we started here, right, the market continued to go higher and higher. All right, so right here, we're going to go ahead and just draw this trend line out. All right, and so from this point, this being the starting point, let's go ahead and drag that over here. The market started to go higher and higher. So right here, we have the starting point. We have a higher high, meaning the market has reached a new high that it's never reached before. Right here, we have a low, but this low is higher than this low. So it's a higher low. And then we go up. The market created a new high, a higher high. Then the market went down and it created a higher low. And so, like I said, you guys, it's pretty much breaking down like the market moving in a staircase type of motion, right? When the market is in an uptrend, it looks like upstairs, right? It's not the most perfect stairs, and stairs don't dip down, but it's going higher and higher. And when you're looking at that downtrend, the market is going lower and lower. And so, just to give you guys a quick understanding of all of this, when you're trading, right, and you're looking to make money in the market, you as an investor, you know, being someone who probably doesn't have all of the capital in the world, you probably aren't investing millions or tens of or hundreds of thousands. You want to follow the direction of the overall market. You make it harder for yourself as a trader when you try to trade against the trend, because if the market is trending in a specific direction, it's more than likely going to continue in that direction. So, and also, let me go back and show you guys this quick example. I think we were on a daily. Okay, so what I want you guys to understand is this market is in a downtrend. So seeing that this market is in a downtrend, the down moves are a lot larger than the moves up, right? So if you're trying to make money from taking this trade on Euro USD, you want to take sales, because if you take sales, your sales are going to make you a lot more money than the little moves that's happening if you were to take a buy. You take a buy, you still can make some money, but the sales are a lot greater, profitable, a greater profitability opportunity, if that makes sense. You can make a lot more money taking sales in a downtrending market than you could take buys, if that makes sense. So the last and final thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about is something called consolidation. And so consolidation is when the market is moving left and right. So the market is not always going to be making a big move up or a big move down. Right, you have something called consolidation, and I call these 3 phases of market movement. Right, you have the first phase, uptrend; second phase, consolidation; third phase is a downtrend. And so consolidation is when the market is pretty much staying boxed in a specific area and not making a large move up or down. So it's not creating higher highs or it's not creating lower lows, right? It's retesting and retouching certain points of the market that has already been reached before without making a large move out. So if you guys enjoyed this quick little breakdown, I will be doing another video if you guys want, where I will teach you a simple strategy to learn how to actually take trades with the trend without being an expert, without needing a bunch of indicators. Just like the video up. Let me know in the comment section below that you would like to see another video similar, where I actually show you guys how to find some good entries trading with the trend. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also, you guys, I will be hosting a free trading trial within my community, I believe, starting, let me see, check the calendar real quick. So I will be hosting a free trading trial for my community starting February 23rd. So if you're now watching this video before February 23rd, is that correct? Hold on, let me look at the calendar. Today is the 16th. Okay, yeah. So February 23rd, I will be hosting a free trading trial for individuals who may be coming from YouTube, TikTok, whatever the case may be. I get a lot of people that reach out to me wanting to learn how to get into trading, and there are requirements to join my official community. And so I like to do free trading trials to give people an idea of what they can gain access to and what they'll be able to learn actually being a part of my community. So if you are somebody that wants to be able to be a part of that, check the description box below and you should see the link to register for the free trading trial. And I look forward to seeing you there and help you reach the success that you desire trading. This is something for those individuals who are beginners and also for those who are a little bit experienced as well, that just want to learn different strategies or simpler ways to actually make money. But if you are new to the channel, if this is your first time watching, definitely hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications so that you don't miss the next videos to come. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Have a great rest of your day. We are out.
Nowadays all of my enemies wanna be friends.